Welcome to magiccse by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box.
Going to learn the first HTML program. So in the previous video we saw the introduction about HTML, then the difference between HTML, CSS and JavaScript, right? So here we are going to see the first HTML program. So if you want to create an HTML program or HTML document, you can do that in any text editor like Notepad, WordPad, PSPad, anything you can do. So in Mac, if you're seeing, it will be like Sublime Text, TextEdit, Xcode, like that. Many text editors are available. If you are using an Unix machine, then you can have GetEdit, GEdit, VI Editor, etc. So many text editors are available. So normally you'll be typing something, no? That text editor is more than enough for writing an HTML program. So in that text editor, you can type your HTML program and you have to save that with the extension .html. This is very important. So either you have to give the extension, file extension as .html or .html. So once you're typing the program in the text editor, file, save as, you have to click the save as option. Then along with the file name, you have to give the extension. So you have to select all types of format, all format like that. Based on OS, it will be varying. You have to save it as .html. If it is in .txt format, your HTML program will not show the output. It will not render the output. So you have to save your file with extension .html. That is important. So many editors are there. A dedicated HTML editor is called what you see is what you get. So this editor is dedicated for this HTML program. So HTML editor, Macromedia, Dreamweaver, Visual Studio Code, etc. Like that, many HTML text editors are available. You can type the HTML programs in that. So for executing the HTML program, you need not install any special software. Just if you are double clicking the program, automatically it will be opening in the browser. Otherwise, you have to right click and you have to open with the browser. You are having many web browsers like Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Safari, like that, Internet Explorers, like that, many web browsers are available. So you can execute your HTML program with any of the web browser. So if you're right clicking it and you are giving open with the corresponding browser, your output will be rendered. So in HTML, in the previous video itself, we saw interpretation will take place. It is not compilation, it is interpretation. That is, the execution will take place line by line. So you are giving 10 lines. One line is error. Then the 9 lines will render output. Only the error line will not render output. So line by line, it will be converting into machine code and it will be rendering the output. So this is the basic you want to know about the HTML. So we'll see the first program. So the first line of HTML will be like, so we are following HTML5. So the first line will be the angular bracket, exclamatory mark, doc type space HTML. So this line will announce the browser, whatever browser, Chrome or Firefox or Safari or Internet Explorer, anything else. So the browser will be given an announcement that this program is a HTML program. This document is containing HTML code. For making the browser announce that it is the HTML program, we are having this code. This is actually not a HTML tag. So this is a doc type line. This line will give the instruction to the web browser that this document is the HTML document. So based on versions, the first line will vary. For 4th version, this is the first line. For HTML 3rd version, you have different first line. So for 5th version, HTML5, this is the line. So certain programs, if you're missing this line also, the browser will be understanding. Based on the version of the browser, it will differ. So it is a good programming practice to have this line. If you're missing this line also, at times it will be working correctly. So the next one is you have to know about the structure of the HTML code. So all the HTML program will start with HTML tag and will close with /HTML. So closing tag will be like opening angular bracket / the keyword closing tag. So this is how you'll be having closing tag. So between this opening and closing HTML tags only, you'll be having the other content of the HTML program. So basically, the HTML program will be having a head section and a body section. Head section will be having information related to title, metadata, etc. We will see that in detail. Body section will be having the content of the web page. So these are the two sections, and you denote them with head tag and body tag. So this is the opening head tag. This is the closing head tag. Same way you're having opening body tag and closing body tag. So this is our first program. So like Hello World program, we are going to create a web page. So I'm creating the first line to announce that it is a HTML document. This HTML tag will act as a container. So inside this HTML tag only you will be having your head tag and body tag. So HTML tag acts as a container that will be, if you can represent the HTML document in a tree structure. So if you are representing in that way, HTML tag will be the root tag. So HTML tag acts as the container tag. The next one is the head section. So the head section will be having the head element. It acts as a container for head tags. So certain head tags are style, base, link, script, meta, base, link, etc. No script. These are the head tags. So head tags will give you the information about title, scripts in the sense, suppose you are inside a HTML program, you can have your JavaScripts, CSS coding. So JavaScripts will be having script tags. Then CSS code will be having style tags. So those information can be represented inside the header section. So head section will be having the meta information. Meta means data about data, information about data. Those things will also be present inside this head tag. So one such head tag is title tag. So title tag, you are having the browser. In the browser, in the tab title bar, you will be having a title. No, what content should be displayed can be mentioned between the title tags. It will be defining the title of your web page, and this title will help you to create bookmarks. You want to create favorites, you can use this title. The content in this title will be noted by the favorites and bookmarks. Then in Google search engine, for searching also, the what is present in the title, if a search term is entered in the Google search engine, it will be searching for the titles. With the titles it will be searching. So while executing the output, we will see where this title will be occurring. So I have given the content like page title. So this is the title of my page currently. So hope you understood this HTML tag and head tag. The next section is the body section. Body section will have the actual contents. So the actual contents along with the formatting tags and whatever you want, layout setting, everything you can do it in the body section. So here in this example, I am using two sentences. This is heading, this is paragraph. So heading is kept inside the heading tag. Heading tag and paragraph tag detailedly will be seeing in the next forthcoming videos. So here for now, I'm giving a short introduction that there are 6 types of headings. So one heading is H1. So very large size with nice bold font. You'll be getting the text. So whatever content you are giving inside this heading tag will be occurring in larger size with nice bold thick font. Then paragraph will be a normal text, a normal paragraph. So this is paragraph tag. So P and /P means paragraph. H1/H1 is heading tag. So inside this body content, I am having only 2 lines. This is heading, this is paragraph. So this is my first HTML program. So body tag will contain all the content. It can be text content, hyperlinks, images, tables, list, everything, medias, etc. Many things you can keep inside the body section. So in the forthcoming videos, how to have these things using tags like that, we'll be learning along with demonstration. So now I'm stopping with this heading tag and paragraph tag. So this is the first program. Now let us see how to execute it. So here I have used Xcode. So this is actually a text editor for preparing mobile apps. So you can use it as a text editor as well. You can use Notepad, WordPad, whichever text editor is feasible you can use. HTML will not consider this white spaces. So this white spaces and indentations will be ignored by the web browser. So for legibility, for teaching purpose, I have left spaces and I have given the HTML code like this. Actually, you need not leave any space. So here simply plainly next line we have written the code. No, same way you can write that. For legibility purpose, I have done this. See, the HTML code is in violet color and the content is in the black color. So based on the text editor, this color coding will change. If you are using Notepad in a Windows system, you will be getting different color codings. Just I told this. So here I am having the HTML tag. Inside this HTML tag, I am having the head section and body section. So in the head section, I am having the title tag and I am having it is a page title. The content is page title. So this entire HTML code I have typed in a text editor and I have saved it as first program.html. This file extension is very much important. So you can open your text editor and you can type it, Notepad or Word, anything. So now I am going to execute this. So here this is my output. Executing is very simple. So I'm just if you're double clicking it, it will be executed. So already first I have executed. This is the second time. So if you are not getting the output after double clicking means you open it, you right click it, open with Google Chrome. Automatically here you will be able to see the creation of this web page. So 3 times I executed, so it is showing 3 tabs. So here whatever you are giving in the title tag, so here whatever you are giving in the title tag, page title I have given, right? So that will occur here. Then what I have given? I have given the body section. So this entire white space is my body section. I will be giving the content of the web page. So here I have given only 2 contents, a heading and a paragraph. This is a heading. Since it is enclosed inside the head tags, it is appearing in a bigger font with dark boldness. Then this is a paragraph tag. Here a normal text content is appearing. So this is my body section. I have closed my body section. I have closed my HTML tag. So this is my first program's output. So here the web page also will be ending with HTML.html. So this is the path. Regarding this path, we will be seeing in the later part of the playlist. So hope you understood how to write a HTML program, the structure of the HTML program, how to save it in a text editor, how to execute it in the web browser and see the result. So hope you would be understanding these things clearly. In the next upcoming videos, we'll be learning many other tags along with demonstration. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to magiccse by Eezytutorials. Thank you.